Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download Geometry Dash on PC. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I am going to teach you is to download Geometry Dash on your PC through the help of BlueStacks. So if you want to know how to do that, just go ahead and continue watching this video. So here are the steps on how you can download Geometry Dash through BlueStacks. First, download and install BlueStacks on your PC. So you can just go ahead and search it in your browser on your browser. So type in BlueStacks and then just download BlueStacks right there. So search download BlueStacks and then just click into the first result and then just download that into your PC and then complete Google sign in to access the Play Store, or you can do it later. And after that, look for the Geometry Dash in the search bar at the top right corner of the BlueStacks and click to install the Geometry Dash from the search results. After that, just complete Google sign in. If you skip, or you'll need to do this if you skip this step 2, which is this, to install the Geometry Dash. And after that, click the Geometry Dash icon onto the home screen to start playing it on your PC. So that's it for this video. That's how you can install Geometry Dash in your PC through BlueStacks. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.